Alright, so another part of the trip is to come and give our boat a clean. Here she is, D24. Not looking too bad actually. Not looking too bad, but we'll give her a spruce up. Yeah, a glorious day in Penarth. There she is, all nice and clean. At the same time, I gave Jace's boat a quick wipe over as well, with the help of Richard. Teamwork makes the dream work. So Jace's boat is also up for sale. Beautiful boat. Fairline Targa 34. There they are. Two boats together again.
Here we are in Penarth. Penarth Beach. Walking along the beachfront. Some boats coming in because it's high tide. Ben and Rich carrying on walking. Ben waving. So today's mission is trying to fix a drone from yesterday. The gang over there, Rich and Benjamin. Across this weird tree. I think it's just been washed up. Oh, it's turned out alright, it has. There they all are. Ben's getting his drone out. There's Bella Willa. Richard. Benjamin. Droney.
See if the drone's fixed.
Yes, this is the mission today, to fix the drone.
See if the drone's fixed. See if it works.
You're not putting it there, so you've got the landing pad here. We're going to place that down somewhere. Yeah, on that flat bit there, yeah, Ben. That's perfect. Bella's found a toy stick. So here we have the flight of the drone.
That's
Take
adorable.
5.
Take 6.
Me and Rich on it.
Yes, in the sun. We would have thought October and it's warm.
Yeah.
Sat in the sun on a beach.
Penarth Pier.
Beautiful. Love it coming over there.
Yeah.
Here we go. Take it up a bit. Bella! Good dog. Bella, get me stick.
So it's a calibration issue, we think. So he's recalibrated it and we think it's okay.
Well, it didn't go up and go backwards, so I think that's a very good sign.
I think the drone is working now. Happy days.
She's alright. We can do some boat filming tomorrow.
Yeah, the weather is looking good. So weather's looking pretty
He bought
good.
his drone, film the boat going along, and after what month are we in now? October, 10 months, I've not been able to get it out on the drone and film it. And yesterday I nearly lost it. It just caught it before it went overboard, but there was something wrong with it. It needed calibrating after an update. Yeah, which was not great, DJI. That was not very clever. Should have put a fucking warning out. You need to update your drone again because it's going to go.
You swore.
I don't give a shit. They should have updated it. I could have lost my drone.
Gonna have to bleep that out.
And would they have paid me back? No. But it's working. A couple of sets of repairs later.
Happy days.
Join us next time when we leave Penarth, go to Mermaid Quay with an extra crew member on board, as well as the dog. I get the drone up in the air again. Does it come back? Wait and see. Debbie, our new crew member, confuses our system in the lock. They nearly leave me behind. And we shelter to escape the wake of this thing. See you next time.